Hello, welcome to A-level physics and mathematics class. In this episode, we are going to talk about a mathematical, like kind of a multiplication. So that's what we are going to talk about. Before that, could you please like, share, and subscribe this video? That will help me a lot. Thank you so much for that. So normally when we have this kinds of question, we can multiply numerator with numerator as well as denominator with a denominator. Okay, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a very better way to find out or to simplify these kinds of question. Okay, so normally instead of multiplying a numerator with numerator or denominator with denominator, what we can do is we can reduce the top as well as the bottom number with, let's say, if you have, I mean, what I'm trying to say is, let's say we have a 15 over here, then let's say, let's reduce this guy with this guy, meaning that if you divide this 12 to 3, you will get 4, right? And then this guy, if you by 3, you will get that 5, right? Now, this guy, you can reduce this guy with this guy as well. Totally, we have here 3x, meaning that this is 3, I mean x squared, as well as here we have x, right? Now, you can reduce this guy with this guy as well as with this guy, meaning that we have this guy is basically x multiplied with x multiplied with x multiplied with x, right? Or multiplied with x, okay? Meaning that 2x with this guy is also x multiplied with x, right? So you can cancel this guy with this guy, and then this, I mean this guy with this guy, and then this x with this x, as well as this x with this x, okay? We end up with 2x, okay? Now, here we have also 4, right? So you can reduce this 4 with this 4, meaning that we have 4 by 4, 1, 4 by 4 is 1, okay? Now, here we have 5 as well as 1, right? So you will get that 5 multiplied with, very basically there is x as well, with x, so x multiplied with x, and then multiplied with 1, okay? Now over here we have only 1, right? Because we did cancel this guy with this 2x as well as 1x with this x, okay? Now we have 1 basically, so which is equal to 5x times x is x squared, right? So our answer is x, I mean 5x squared, okay? That's a final simplified form of this question, okay? If you have any question, please feel free to let me know in the comment section. Thank you. And then to simplify this guy, like I said, it's better to reduce a lot, and then I mean the top as well as the stuff that you have in the top as well as in the bottom, okay? Now what you can do is you can simplify this guy with by 9, you will get 1. This by 9, you will get 4, right? And then this guy by 2, you will get 1. This guy by 2 is what? 6, right? Now here we have x squared, x as well as x squared, meaning that we have x 5x, right? Or I mean x to the power of 5, right? Or we have, here we have x, okay, let me show you over here. Here we have x, and then this is x as is, and then this guy is x multiplied with x, right? So now, as you can see, there is a 7x over here, meaning that x multiplied with 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 x, right? This looks 4 and 6, right? So now you can cancel this x with this x. You can cancel this guy with this guy as well. You can cancel this x with this x. You can cancel this x with this x, right? Now we end up with 3x, right? Over here we have 1x, don't forget that guy. So we have over here 4, right? 4x multiplied with, over here we have 6, right? 6, and then we have 5 over here, okay? That's all I guess for the numerator. There's no denominator, okay? Now we just we have over 1 over here, basically 1 multiplied with 1 multiplied with 1, right? You can say it's a 1, okay? Now, which is equal to basically, which is equal to, you will get 120, right? Well, when you can multiply 24 with 5, you will get 120 what? X, okay? That is a simplified form of this question, okay? That's all about this episode. Like I said, let me know if you have any question regarding with this simplification as well as the question. I'm happy to reply to you guys. So, like I said before, could you please like, share, and subscribe at this episode? That will help me a lot. That's all for today. Thank you so much, and then have a good day. Enjoy your day. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.